Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, women stylish crochet sleeve designs. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish sleeve designs, crochet sleeve designs, mind-blowing designs and ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Top 50 designer ideas you can see. Every design is most beautiful, most trendy. So please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful stylish sleeves with beautiful tops, beautiful dresses, shirt designs, stylish color combination contrasts, light colors, dark colors, beautiful designs and ideas. You can see in this my video. Every design is different one another. If you want to buy these very beautiful stylish sleeve designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see. Most beautiful, most trendy designer ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet sleeves if you know crochet work. Matching dress designs, matching dress colors.